Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Genuine Jeev. After so long, I know आप सब हमारे next video का बेसब्री से wait कर रहे थे. And here we are back with an amazing video. Good morning everyone. So as I already told you yesterday, we reached Bangkok. So today we are going on one of the adventurous surprise, which you people will love it and you all will be thrilled to see that. Today we are going to do skydiving, and this is going to be our first jump and also the major reason behind this Thailand trip. Out of many options, we opted for skydiving Thailand, Khao Yai, which is approximately 200 kilometers from the Bangkok city. A big cheers to them because they made our first jump so memorable, and their website link we have provided in the description below. You can comment down if you have any query. We left at 4 in the morning from our hotel in Sukhumvit for Khao Yai, which is near Pattaya. It took us 3 hours to reach there. The commute was arranged by the Skydiving Thailand. It was a mini bus, and there were 7 people sharing that bus, including us, and we all were from different countries. After reaching there, we had to do a few formalities and paperwork. And after our drill, we were all set to take off with our gears on.
Ooh, hello.
Hi.
So tell me what's going on here today.
So we are going to do skydiving, and this is my first time.
So you ready
Yeah.
to jump out with a perfectly good airplane 4 kilometers? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
To see those pictures of this skydiving, and I was always like, I have to do this one day, and today is the day.
Well, you're right.
Yeah.
All right.
Amazing! I just loved it.
Get up now. Just go this way. Yeah. Well, welcome to Skydive Thailand.
So this was our adventure. So today we did skydiving, and we were on the altitude of 13,000 feet, and we came down in I think 1 or 2 minutes, right?
Yeah.
And this was so fun. This was so amazing, and I want to go again for the second time. I just loved it, and we will just introduce you to our instructor.
Emma, how was the experience?
I want to do again.
Oh, nice.
very nice taking you through your first jump.
He was our instructor and his name is Carl.
Yeah, you gonna come back?
Yes.
You gonna bring friends?
Sure.
Alright, okay, yeah, come to Skydive Thailand.
Sure.
Khao Yai. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you really liked the content. And stay tuned as we explore the Bangkok city.